Summary of difference between DNA and RNA. 1. DNA contains the sugar deoxyribose, while RNA contains the sugar ribose. The only difference between ribose and deoxyribose is that ribose has one more OH group than deoxyribose, which has H attached to the second carbon in the ring. DNA is a double-stranded molecule while RNA is a single-stranded molecule. DNA is stable under the alkaline condition while RNA is not stable. DNA and RNA perform different functions in human. DNA is responsible for storing and transferring genetic information, while RNA directly codes for amino acids and act as messenger between DNA and ribosomes to make proteins. RNA and DNA base pairing is slightly different since DNA uses the bases adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. RNA uses adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine. Uracil difference from thymine is that it lacks a methyl group on its ring. Comparison of DNA and RNA. While both DNA and RNA are used to store genetic information, there are clear differences between them. The table summarizes the key points. Main differences between DNA and RNA. Function: deoxyribose acid, deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. Function: long term storage of genetic information, transmission of genetic information to make other cells and new organisms. RNA, ribonucleic acid, used to transfer the genetic code from nucleus to ribosomes to make protein. RNA is used to transmit genetic information in some organisms and may have been the molecule used to store genetic blueprints in primitive organisms. Structural features: B form double helix DNA is double-stranded molecule consisting of a long chain of nucleotide. A form helix RNA usually a single-strand helix consisting of shorter chains of nucleotides. Composition of bases in sugar: deoxyribose, phosphate backbone, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine bases. Ribose sugar, phosphate backbone, adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil bases. Propagation: DNA is self-replicating. RNA is synthesized from DNA on as and needed basis. Base pairing: ATGC, AUGC. Reactivity: the CH bond in DNA make it fairly stable, plus the body destroys enzymes that would attack DNA. The small grooves in the helix also serves as protection, providing minimal space for enzymes to attach. The oxygen hydrogen bond in the those ribose of RNA makes the molecule more reactive compared with DNA. RNA is not stable under alkaline condition, plus the large grooves in the molecule make it susceptible to enzyme attack. RNA is constantly produced, used, degraded, and recycled. Ultraviolet damage: DNA is susceptible to UV damage. Compared with DNA, RNA is relatively resistant to UV damage. Which came first? There is some evidence DNA may have occurred first, but most scientists believe RNA evolved before DNA. RNA have a simpler structure and needed in order for DNA to function. Also, RNA is found in prokaryotes, which are believed to precede eukaryote. RNA on its own can act as catalyst for certain chemical reaction. The real question is why DNA evolved if RNA exists. The most likely answer for that is having a double-stranded molecule helps protect the genetic code from damage. If one strand is broken, the other strand can serve as template for repair. Proteins surrounding DNA also confer additional protection against enzymatic attack. Unusual DNA and RNA. While the Most common form of DNA is double helix. There is evidence for rare cases of branch DNA, quadruplex DNA, and molecules made from triple strands. Two scientists have found DNA in which arsenic substitutes for phosphorus. Double-stranded RNA sometimes occur. It is similar to DNA except thymine is replaced by uracil. This type of RNA is found in some viruses. When these viruses infect eukaryotic cells, the double-stranded RNA can interfere with normal RNA function and stimulate an interference response. Circular single-stranded RNA has been found in both animals and plants. At present, the function of this type of RNA is unknown.